everyone, so let's get started the another lecture of the Gastropoda part third, where we are going to talk about the canals of the Gastropoda cells. Okay, so let's get started. So in this image you can see this is the whole gastropod cell, which is generally this image is from the PC Jain book. Okay, so you can see at the posterior side, or this is the apex position. Okay, apex position, and this is at the base of the Gastropoda cell. Okay, so apex को ही हम posterior end बोलते हैं, and here this is the anterior end, and this is the whole gastropod cell, and this is the actually stand-up orientation, how to handle the particular gastropoda cell. Okay, so this is the aperture should be towards the observer face. Okay, and posterior should be at the upright in position, and anterior is at the base. Okay, so this is how you handle the gastropoda cell, and here you can see this is the length. So this is the total length of the gastropoda cell. Okay, which means spire plus body wall is actually the total length of the gastropoda cell. And now focus on the canal. So generally guys, आपने canal engineering geology में भी पढ़ा होगा what is canal. So canal, वही वाला canal आप यहाँ पे concept लगा सकते हो. Okay, so canal is actually artificial waterway which is built for the drainage management or to control the flood or used for the irrigation or water transport vehicle, right? So this is actually canal like structure जो जिनका two opening mouth होता है. Okay, so ये gastropod से कैसे correlate कर सकते हो? So you can see this is the actually canal which is a tube like structure. Okay, so here are actually two canal. First one is the posterior canal which is present at the posterior end. ये posterior end पे है, that's why this canal is known as the posterior canal, and another canal which is situated at the anterior side, so that canal is known as the anterior canal. Okay, and this is also known as the siphonal canal. Siphonal canal which is present at the anterior side. Okay, at the anterior end, and here at the posterior end the canal is present which is known as the posterior canal, and this is also known as the anal canal. Okay, why we call it as the anal? Because here anus is situated at the posterior end, that's why this is known as the anal canal. So guys, what is the use of this canal? Like इनका function क्या है? Anal canal और siphonal canal का function क्या है? Let's see. Actually this tube like structure, first one is the posterior canal and second one is the anterior canal. Okay, and this is also known as the anal canal, and this is also known as the siphonal canal. So this tube like structure actually used to circulate, or you can say conducting the water, conducting and used to circulation of the water. Okay, सो जनरली होता क्या है कि यहाँ एंटीरियर कैनाल और साइफनल कैनाल से वाटर का मूवमेंट होता है, यहाँ से यू कैन से इट्स टेक अ वाटर. ओके, जनरली वाटर की एंट्री यहाँ से होती है, एंड नाउ व्हाट हैपन, दिस वाटर इज एक्चुअली यूटिलाइज्ड बाय दिस गैस्ट्रोपोडा एनिमल, राइट? जो इनके अंदर एनिमल है, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, जो सॉफ्ट पार्ट है, वो जनरली इस वाटर को यूज करेगा. उस वाटर में क्या होगा? ऑक्सीजन होगा, some organic material hoga. This water is actually consist of the organic matter which is used as the food. Okay, feed on this particular organic matter, and here oxygen is there. Okay, which is used by this organism. और कुछ जो एक्सेस वाटर होगा या जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होगा, जो या फर्दर गैसेस होंगी, दैट विल बी रिलीज फ्रॉम दी एनल कैनाल. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज द एनल कैनाल, राइट? बिकॉज ये एनल का यूज करे, एक्ट एज द एनस, राइट? सो यहाँ से क्या होगा? वो सारे जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट मटेरियल होगा, वॉट एवर द वेस्ट stuff which is not used by this soft organism, that will be released from this anal canal. Okay, so यहाँ से हमारा function is actually different. Okay, so यहाँ से water का intake हुआ, यहाँ से outtake हुआ, outtake और you can say released. Okay, and यहाँ से intake. Okay, so this is actually a circulatory movement. This is the actually circulation of water, continuous circulation of water. यहाँ से intake, यहाँ से outtake. Okay, and this is how particular this organism utilize or survive or feed. So this is the whole circulatory movement. So siphonal canal is actually used in the intake of water, and posterior canal released all waste stuff, right? That's the difference. So in such gastropoda which is having two tubes for conducting water, anterior tube is the known as the siphonal canal and the posterior tube is known as the anal canal, and here the movement of water is actually the continuous and circulatory movement. Okay, so such gastropoda cell is known as the Siphonostomatus, which is generally having two tubes. Okay, two tubes, posterior canal and anterior canal. Okay, say for example murex, voluta and ceridium, right? And guys, this is not fixed ki every gastropoda cell is having two tubes. There is a few gastropoda cell which is having only one tube. Okay, they have only one or single tube, and this tube is actually known as the siphon. Okay, and here the water circulation siphon kaise hoga, like this. Suppose this is the gastropod, okay, and this is aperture. तो यहाँ पे इनका एक ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होगा which is placed centrally to the aperture. Okay, so this is the actually siphon, and in the form like turritella, say for example turritella and natica. So these two form of the gastropoda cell, they are having a single tube which is placed at the center of aperture. Okay, so this is a single tube which is placed at the center of aperture, and such tube is known as the siphon. So here the movement of water is pulsatory, okay, from this tube like structure, and यहाँ पे एक ही tube होगा, that will be known as the siphon. An example is turritella and natica. So guys, in this image you can see this, they are the further new terminology. Okay, so this is the nuclear wall. Nuclear wall is generally nothing else, this is the protoconch. Okay, जो initial होगा, जो embryonic wall होगा, embryonic cell होगा, that is actually known as the nuclear wall. Okay, and see this is the our canal, and यही हमारा canal है. You can see ये continuous है, and that will be here the tube like structure, right? And that is here siphonal canal which is present at the anterior end, and this is the posterior end. So posterior end पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है? Anal canal which is interrupt the aperture margin where the animal get rid of the stuff. Okay, whatever the waste material, okay, waste material is actually released from this anal canal, and here siphonal canal is actually intake of all water. Okay, so यहाँ से क्या होगा, water का movement होगा and यहाँ से released हो जाएगा. Okay, so that is actually are the siphonal canal, interrupt the aperture margin basically, and intake valves. It is commonly covered for the protection of siphon, and in some species it can be longer than the rest of the cell. Okay, so ये vary करेगा, कई बारी बहुत छोटा आपको siphonal canal देखने को मिलेगा, sometimes it's quite longer than the whole cell. Okay, here the umbilicus we already discussed. This is the hollow cone shaped opening that coincide with and the imaginary axis. Okay, and on the body wall it may be completely open, partially or completely covered by a cell that is known as the callus. So here you can say this is the callus. Okay, so callus is generally thickened deposit of the cell substance on the anterior part of the inner lip. See ये outer lip है और inner lip. आपको callus हमेशा ही आपको inner lip पे देखने को मिलेगा. Okay, so this is actually thickened deposit of the cell. Okay, which is present at the inner lip of the aperture. Sometime what happen कि ये thickness और भी ज़्यादा increase होता जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से ये aperture is slightly closed. Okay, और partially closed. So ये आपको different gastropod में आपको different callus देखने को मिलेंगे. Okay, this is not always the same case कि callus should be that much thinner. It's sometimes very thick, it's sometimes very less thickness are there. Okay, so this is actually callus. So callus is also very important because समटाइम वी कंफ्यूज कि कैलस टर्म ही कहाँ कौन से फाइलम में मिला हमको. ओके, सो रिमेंबर कैलस इज actually come under the gastropoda cell, and this is the feature of the gastropoda cell. This is actually thickened deposit of the cell substance on the anterior part of the inner lip. Okay, and see guys, this is the node, spiral, thread, spines. Okay, so these are actually the ornamentation of the gastropod cell. Okay, node and spine are the ornamentation that commonly grow at the intersection of the growth line that run vertically or axially and spirally thread or ridge. Okay, so you can say this is the all spines. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.